Highway Code, Cyclists, Rule 63. Cycle lanes. These are marked by a white line, which may be broken, along the carriageway. See Rule 140. When using a cycle lane, keep within the lane when practicable. When leaving a cycle lane, check before pulling out that it is safe to do so, and signal your intention clearly to other road users. Use of cycle lanes is not compulsory and will depend on your experience and skills, but they can make your journey safer. Highway Code, Cyclists, Rule 64. You must not cycle on a pavement. Cyclists, Highway Code 65. Bus lanes. Most bus lanes may be used by cyclists as indicated on signs. Watch out for people getting on or off a bus. Be very careful when overtaking a bus or leaving a bus lane, as you will be entering a busier traffic flow. Do not pass between the curb and a bus when it is at a stop. Highway Code, Cyclists, Rule 66. You should keep both hands on the handlebars except when signalling or changing gear. Keep both feet on the pedals. Never ride more than 2 abreast and ride in single file on narrow or busy roads, and when riding round bends. Not ride close behind another vehicle. Not carry anything which will affect your balance or may get tangled up with your wheels or chain. Be considerate of other road users, particularly blind and partially sighted pedestrians. Let them know you are there when necessary, for example by ringing your bell if you have one. It's recommended that a bell be fitted.